This project is smart security for entry gate with face mask detection and temperature control. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its data board along with power supply 16:2 LCD display. Slide door controlled by L203D HPG IC which is connected to Arduino digital pin. Here buzzer switch connected to Arduino digital pins. ESP32 cam and its baseboard. Here ESP32 cam placed on its baseboard. It has a 5V DC supply and it has digital pin outs. ESP32 cam connected to Arduino UART port and contactless MLX90614 connected to Arduino I2C pins. Before going to start this project, we have to create hotspot in our mobile with username IoT server and password IoT server. Or we can change our router username and password IoT server and IoT server. Now we have to create hotspot in our mobile. We can see here network name IoT server and password IoT server. Save. Mobile should have internet through the SIM. Now power on this. We can see here on LCD our project title. After power on this project, ESP32 cam connecting with Wi-Fi and it update IP address with the network scanner app which is available in Play Store. Now we have to open network scanner app. Here we have to press this start button. Here we can see IP address 192.168.0.105 and it is showing vendor as press if. Now we have to copy this IP address, paste in another browser. Press get still. Here you got the streaming window. Here coming to the operation, initially we have to press this button, then it starts scanning face mask. If face mask varied, then scanning temperature. If temperature less than 100 farads, then gate will be open. In no mask and high temperature condition, gate will not open and buzzer will on. Now we will see the first condition. Here we can see. First we have to press this button. Then it is scanning. Here we can see buzzer on. And now we will see the second condition. With mask in normal temperature. Mask detected. Temperature 86. Gate open. We can see here like this. And third condition. Mask varied in high temperature. Scanning face. Mask detected. Temperature 111. That means more than 100 farads. On LCD we can see high temperature. Here at least we have to maintain 50 centimeters distance from MLX sensor.